In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a weather panel to your edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add edge panels onto your S25 series of phones with a weather panel, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your setting. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for display. And when you see display, you want to hit display. From there, you want to look for edge panels and you want to hit edge panels. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and look for panels and hit panels. And then from there, you want to scroll and look for weather, and then you can enable the weather's edge panel. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add weather edge panels to your Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.